Hello guys, my name is Mukiza Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel U.S.E, where we discuss science to its simplicity and we discuss about all the examinable concepts of science. We discuss the most examinable concepts of physics and all science. So today we're going to be discussing about energy, as you see here. And what is energy? Energy refers to the ability to do work. Energy refers to how able is one to do a given task. And first of all, let's also understand work before we go any further. So work is the product of force and distance, and it takes place in the direction of force. So here we're talking about force, and I've told you that force refers to the physical effect on a body to change its state of rest or uniform motion. So force refers to that physical effect on a body in order to change its state of rest or uniform motion. So back to the topic, as we're talking about energy. So this energy has two different types, where we have the number one as mechanical energy. Mechanical energy refers to the type of energy possessed by a body due to its motion or due to its position in the gravitation field. Mechanical energy is divided into two, where we have potential energy and kinetic energy. So first you have to understand these two different types of energy because they're so examinable. So potential energy refers to the type of energy possessed by a body virtue of its position in the gravitational field. So that is potential energy. But now we left with this one, kinetic energy. I know you might be somehow conversant with the word. As to the type of energy possessed by a body virtue of its motion or virtue of being in motion. When I say virtue, I mean reason of being in motion. So when you see a body in motion, what we mean by motion is a body moving from one place to another. So that is what we mean by motion. So when you see a body moving from one place to another, it possesses energy, and that energy is what we refer to as kinetic energy. Type of energy possessed by a body virtue of its motion. And the second type of energy that we talked about was chemical energy. So chemical energy refers to the type of energy obtained from chemical reactions, and this type of energy has very many different forms, because we know from the principle of conservation of energy, which states that energy is neither created nor destroyed but can be transformed from one form to another. So this same energy can be seen in very many different forms. For example, light energy. How are you able to see me? That is all simply light energy, and of course some electrical energy, as we will be discussing further here. As you've seen, those are the chemical forms of energy. Of course there are many others. For example, the energy that is found in batteries, the dry cells, that is all chemical energy. And in our next video we're going to be discussing about now this mechanical energy, where we're going to go deep down and see what is potential energy, what is kinetic energy, and we're going to do some calculus work, which is so vital for one to do their exam. So see you. Make sure you subscribe, like and share to all your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell.